Hello, great minds. Welcome to Bliss Kids TV. In today's lesson, we will learn about the full consonant blend sound. This is the letter F, and it sounds while this is the letter L, and it sounds Together, they make the sound foo. Let's go on and learn the words that begin with the full consonant blend sound. Flag, flowers, flip, flip-flop, fly, flamingo, flash, flood, floor, flame, floss, flush, flutes, floats, flight, flan, flashcard. Thank you for watching. If you haven't joined our community of learners, please do so by liking, sharing, and subscribing to Bliss